Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do some problems from section 3.3. Pick some nice examples out for you to follow along with. The first one, a rectangular swimming pool has a width of 25 feet and an area of 1,250 square feet. What is the pool's length? So one thing that always helps me when I'm doing word problems is to always draw it out. So it says we know the rectangle has a width and a length, right? If they gave us the width of 25, then that means we need to find the length. And right now we can go to our trusty equation where we know the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Well, if they tell us the area is 1250, and we know the width is 25, we're trying to find L, well, we can just go ahead and substitute things into that equation and find our answer. So to solve for L, we of course like to isolate it and get it all by itself. So 1250 divided by 25 is going to equal, L is equal to 50 feet. And of course that kind of makes sense, right? With the way I drew my rectangle out, you could even tell that the length is going to be bigger than 25. So that's the way you do the first problem. Of course, identify your answer. The second one, the circumference of a circle is 14 pi inches. Find the radius and diameter. So remember, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. If they tell us the circumference is equal to 14 pi, then we gotta find for r, right? 2 pi r. So to solve for r, we divide both sides by 2 pi. Cancels there. Divide 14 pi by 2 pi. Here the pi's cancel, and we get 14 divided by 2, which is just 7. So r is equal to 7. Now remember, radius and diameter are related. If we have a circle here, the radius is from the center point to the end. That's what we call radius. Diameter is from the end to the center to the other end. So that's the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 times r. So since they're asking us to find the diameter, all we have to do is say, okay, d is equal to 2 times 7. We know our radius is 7. So d is equal to 14. So here we have our answers. R is equal to 7, d is equal to 14. Number 39, find the complement of 88 degrees. So remember that the complement equation is going to be 90 minus x is equal to our complement. If we know the first angle is 88, 90 minus 88 is equal to 2 degrees. So that's our answer, 2 degrees. And sure enough, checks out there. Find the supplement of 132. Well, we know the supplement we find by saying 180 minus x. In this case, it's going to be 180. The angle we're talking about is 132. So 180 minus 32 is equal to 48. Check. And now here's the last one. They were asking us to find the area of this odd shape. So here's the one I want to spend most of my time on. One thing we should try to do right away is try to break this up into more simple things that we can understand. So for me, I see, and this takes practice, just practice. If I was to chop that guy off right there, now I have two simple shapes. I have a rectangle and a triangle. So I'm going to pull my rectangle out. And this is what this part looks like. Okay. This part is just over here now. So we know the top of this is 6 centimeters. And we know the side is 10. Okay. Then I'm going to put my second guy out. And that's this triangle right here. Just labeling them X and O. So here we see, we know for a triangle we're going to need a base and a height, right? So for this guy, let's look here. If this is 9 down here, this whole length from here to here is 9. And we know that this is 6 from here to here. If we project that line down, this is also 6. So this part has to be 3. So we can come and label this as 3. Next we see they give us another dimension of 3 over here. If this is 10, and this part is 3, and this is all 10, that means this part has to be 7. Okay, so now we have everything we need. And with this odd shape, all we have to do is find the area of this guy. We'll call this area 1. We just got to find area 2 as well. And our total area is going to be area 1 plus area 2. So area 1 is just a rectangle. We know that's length times width, 6 times 10. It's equal to 60. Let's go and write that down here, 60. Then over here for our rectangle, we know it's 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base, which is 3, times height, which is 7. So if we go ahead and calculate this out, we know that 3 times 7 is 21. Half of 21 is going to be 10.5. So area of 2 is 10.5. And if we add these up, 60 plus 10.5 is just equal to 70.5. And we know the area comes in squares, centimeters squared. So there's our answer. By breaking this complex figure up into 2 simple ones, we were easily able to get our answer. So that'll be it for this section. Hope you enjoy it, and make sure to spend time doing the homework. Good luck.